There are a lot of interesting stories, but I missed the time. But I want to say something over here. This is what I'm getting it printed in a Spanish language. This is Abhinandan here. Today is December 22nd. I went to a couple of printers here. This is in a pure Spanish language. And there's something very interesting. I am spending about 8,000 rupees to print the slips. Indian rupees 8,000 for nearly 24,000 slips. Okay, there was a very interesting thing that time I did not record, and I'm only printing at a place where the printer is joining the business and is agreed. I'm going to send the details to him today. And I met another Cuba lady in one institute, and she speaks very good English. Her salary is about $200 per month. Tomorrow she is meeting me at the same place. Here I told her we'll meet for a cup of coffee after you watch the complete video. So let me just pause and walk right now. These two slippers. This slip and this one is about getting a free website for people who join with 6 IDs. Okay, that means either they join one ID with $55 and refer another 5 people within 1 week's time. They get a free website for their business. A big institute, a computer institute, a training institute did not have their own website. I told her I'll give you a free website. And that lady spoke to me very nicely, Cuban lady. Now let me walk around. There were some very interesting stories of small boys, girls coming and selling. Okay, I did not record that time. Okay, but let me move around. That's all this is in Spanish. This will be the back side. This will be the front side. 6 slip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is about getting free visit to India. This is about don't depend on one source of income. This is about make 2026 a great year financially. And this is about getting a free website. That's my business card. Back of it will come this common information. Okay, now let me go around. It is Monday today, so not much crowd. Okay, but there were some very interesting stories that I did not record that time. Let me move right now. This is my sitting place, different places. Okay, sometime I meet some very good people who speaks English and become friends. And I, Abhinandan, am planning a lot of things here. I do not know whether the second one will be possible. I am going to the immigration to ask them for whether I can get a residency. The Cuba lady, Abhinandan here. That Cuban lady told me how she got a residency. Okay, she took for 3 years. She told you get for 1 year, 2 year, 3 year. She told me all the requirement. Okay, I thought I'll go talk about it. So this is taking me a lot of time. So today is Monday, and what I'm planning is that person, which side is more light, but some light will flicker. Okay, I'll go like this only. So I designed all these things, putting the wordings. I met many printers, offset printer, but this one guy is from Turkey. and his brother is in UK, but right now here he has a UK number, and he likes Indian people, and he is from Turkey, this printer owner, and he does not have a website. There are other people who are having websites. See, people will be playing like this chess. A young guy, old man. People will be playing like this. Everywhere there are tables. I'll go in the front also. Okay. So let me record as I am walking and explaining this story. So I keep doing a lot of things. And those of you from India, many of you are self-cheaters. Okay, they send me business, but they won't have the confidence to speak. They are talking about fake businesses, investment business with $1,000, $100, saying 2% daily, and after a few days they vanish. But I am telling something which is not a company, it's a platform. You can start with $55. Let them take the photo. Okay. So it starts with $55 with 25%, 50%, 75%, 100% commission you get back. It is very interesting. I have a lot of other businesses, but you can start with one business right now. $55 and start earning daily $100 or per month $3,000. It is possible. If you have a mental block, I cannot help you. Okay? If your mind is cheating you, not Abhinandan, not Narendra Modi will cheat you, not your chief minister, your mind. Your mind is a big cheater. Okay? Your mind is cheating you of the best things in life. So you know what? This lady who sells all that, she is very pretty. One day I'll talk to her, I'll give this slip to her. This is the lady. See, everywhere people keep playing chess. Like this. See, one, very happy. This is in a park. I do not know how they get the chessboard, or someone will get it. So talk to me. Understand clearly. Don't come to conclusion. Today is December 22nd, 2025. Abhinandan from Bangalore. Right now in Bolivia. It's a very beautiful place. Very nice place. Okay. And every day evening I come here after I go to the business. Do my business work. So tomorrow I'm meeting one Cuban lady, very nice lady who speaks English, whose salary is less than $200 per month. Okay, and but good English. I told her watch all the videos, and she was watching there only in her institute only. Okay, so tomorrow I'll take this printer and take him to the to the crypto exchange. I won't collect his money. He told I'm interested. I told if you join the business with $55, I'll do printing with you. Okay. So, but I won't take the money. I will make him come over there, understand, and then bargain for the printing. The printing cost will be a little lesser for what I'm charging first. So those of you who have heard so far, contact and speak to Abhinandan. Okay? Abhinandan here. Okay, I've already taken many times photo like this. So now let me go back. And it's a very nice place. Like Times Square. Very positive energy, good looking people. And very nice. So sometime I am thinking whether I should extend my stay here in Bolivia or go to Chile and then Argentina. but this is very important for me because people don't speak Spanish. I thought I will see, this is what it is. That's my number over there. Let me see why it's not focusing. Yeah, that's my WhatsApp number on which you can contact me. Contact me and speak to me on this particular WhatsApp number. The first one. Save that number. If you don't save, there's no use. You have to save it. Okay? Save it and WhatsApp to me professionally with your name, your email ID, okay, your profession, your city, and I'll send you all the details. Watch and respond. There are people who just want to know what it is, and after that they don't respond. It is like intellectual masturbation. They are only good in intellectual masturbation. That is what I use the word. Okay, they just want to know what it is. After that they will vanish. Shame on them. Literally shame on them. They will be men of 40 years, 50 years, 60 years. They don't have the courtesy to respond. Initially they will talk for their business. Okay, anyhow. So let me stop. This is, you have to WhatsApp me on this number over here. Okay? 519239928871. Save that with +51. I'm going to stop right now.